We therefore welcome you to be our potential business partner.
Mana actually in original Hebrew, it means, what is it, what's the name? Because they don't know what to fast. Because as soon as the Jew withdraw in the early morning, wafers as if deep in honey remains on the ground. And that was God's gift to the Hebrew people in the book of wilderness.
Our products are all embedded or infused by bioenergy, and number one is our Power Max. One, two, three. Sakit hindi. Okay. Sige, palagpakan natin siya. Oh, hi. Liwat me. Basic yung sulan ka itong ginawa, ha? 1, 2, 3. Okay. In Mana Health, it's so good to be true. Kung energy, nga dito kay Sister Annabelle, ipasses through Raymond, si Fred, Boy, hasta Teresa Punta. Okay?
Wife ko, sabi ko, nakagala sa akin, ganyan. Tapos naglagay siya ng sticker na isang box dito sa chat ko. Nawala tayo, ang pula. Kaya